Chelsea are in desperate need to sign a left back. Their current left backs Alonso and Emerson, who recently played against Bayern Munich, have not lived up to the expectations, so they need a left back. They were looking for Ben Chilwell of Leicester City, but the problem with Ben Chilwell was that his price tag was pretty high, around 80 to 90 million euros, and in these tough times, paying that amount of money for a defender, that's insane. So they are looking for cheaper options. Now they have turned their heads towards the Getafe left back Marco Cucurella. He was on loan from Barcelona to Getafe, but recently he had signed a contract with Getafe, and he is a very good defender who had a very good season this time. Chelsea were also looking for the Sevilla defender Sergio Reguilon, who is on loan from Real Madrid. He was arguably the best left back in La Liga along with Ferland Mendy. I don't think Real Madrid will sell Reguilon for less than 30 million euros. They rate him really high. He is one of the best left backs across Europe, and he's only 23 years old. So Marc Cucurella will be a good option for Chelsea. So let's wait and see what will happen. Jadon Sancho has told the Dortmund owners and all the players out there that he will remain at Dortmund if the transfer to Manchester United do not materialize. He is happy at the club, and he personally wants to go to Manchester United. All the personal terms and offers, contract all agreed, but it's about the price tag. That's really high. That's around more than 100 million euros. So during these tough times, I don't know how will Manchester United materialize that. Manchester United do have their own version of Jadon Sancho at their club. The next rumor from the transfer market is that Lazio are interested in the Burnley striker. So I don't know much about this striker, so I will talk about it from the news articles that I've read. Burnley striker Chris Wood has been linked with Lazio, and Wood's representatives are in talk with the CI side, with manager Simeone Inzaghi eager to land the Kiwi frontman. So I have not checked down this striker, so I will have to check on this striker. Barcelona are ready to sell their defender, the young defender, 20-year-old defender Todibo, the Frenchman. He was on loan at Schalke. He joined the club in just January 2019, and now the club are interested to sell him after the club manager Quique Setien is not convinced by the French defender. It's not a new story for Barcelona. They are selling their all young players. They sold Arthur, they sold Perez, now they are selling Todibo. So now it's time for Riqui Puig. No. The clubs which are interested in Todibo are Leicester City, Everton and AC Milan. These are big clubs, so who knows what will happen. Dybala coming to Real Madrid, and Real Madrid set to offer Isco or Cruz. Dybala actually has a price tag of 100 million euros. He was the most valuable player in Serie A this season. He was fantastic for Juventus, but he was injured during the Champions League game against Ronaldo, and they lost. Ronaldo scored 2 goals. Juventus though are determined to keep the Argentine forward as the club looks to rebuild under Andrea Pirlo. Both of these were teammates, and now Pirlo is his manager. I don't know if this will materialize because Dybala plays at the right side of the pitch, and Mbappe is being linked to Real Madrid, who also plays in that same position. I don't think this will happen. The next transfer rumor that's also related to Barcelona is that Barcelona chasing for Bernardo Silva. Bernardo Silva is a very versatile player who can play in very different attacking positions: right wing, left wing, attacking midfielder, deep lying playmaker. So Manchester City has been offered a cash plus player deal in response. It's very difficult deal for Barcelona to conclude because the Bernardo Silva is very important part of that Pep Guardiola team. So it has been made official by both Willian and Pedro that they are leaving the Chelsea club. Pedro will join Roma in Italy, and Willian has also been linked with Arsenal. So both of these players have been a huge servants for Chelsea. Willian joined Chelsea in August 2013, if I'm not wrong. Pedro in 2015. So both of these players are Mourinho signings, and the era of Mourinho at Chelsea has come to an end because all the new players that are at Chelsea are after the Mourinho era. Different managers have signed these players, so it's a new era for Chelsea altogether. The first signing for Liverpool this summer will be the Olympiacos defender Kostas Tsimikas. In the previous video, I told you that Leicester City are looking to buy this defender, but now it's looking like Liverpool are on the brink of sealing an 11 million deal for this defender from Olympiacos. It's all about the transfer rumors and news from the European market. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. For this video, we will have a target for 50 likes, and so we will meet in the next video.